Okay, so here's one of our newest pieces of equipment called the Skill Mill. This is a great piece of equipment to test any of your agility and also increase in power. So the first option that you've got is just a simple walk and jog on the Skill Mill. You've got a resistance handle here. The least resistance on there will increase the speed on the Skill Mill for you. The quicker that your feet move, the quicker the belt will move. You can also work on agility by doing side steps on the Skill Mill. This will allow to develop coordination and increase agility for any sport-specific workout. We also have the option to increase strength and power. That is by increasing the resistance as high as it will go. Also bearing down on the handles and driving with the legs as hard as possible. This piece of equipment can be used right from the first time you come into the gym, and also if you've got a tailor-made program made to a specific sport, it can work right through the ages, and it is also great for rehabilitation from strokes, from injuries, just because it works on the coordination and balance.